me show you how we get it outside.
By Michael Anthony Fitness at MAF Gigecon, as I'm known on this channel. This is my first Uber Eats order from Burger King. It's about $6. I put over here the total with the tip, the final total right here. I have to go pick up the sheets. Over that's just down the street. Pick that up as well. So far it's good this morning. I saw a Instacart delivery, 17 items for $10.90. That's a pretty good order because I could have picked that up on top of these two orders, deliver these two orders first, and then go shop that order real quick. But I was too fast to click the button and pick up the order. But that would have been $22, $23 for the first hour of me actually working. That's actually pretty good to start the day off, but I wasn't quick enough. And today may be a Uber Eats heavy day. It's Thursday, one of the more busier days for doing Uber Eats in this market. So definitely I'm gonna probably get on that. But if I see any good Instacart deliveries today, I'm definitely gonna pick those up. But let me head over to Sheets. I'll pick up that order and we'll keep it moving. I'm gonna drop those two orders off and we're gonna see what else we can get today. But I just checked on the Instacart app and it's showing that Wegmans is actually somewhat busy. So hopefully I can drop these two off, and by the time I get to Wegmans, they'll actually still be busy. Now on the app, if you see a circle around the store on the Instacart app, that means that when you go to that store, you're more than likely, as long as they have that orange circle around the store, that you're more than likely to get an order from that store. So I'm definitely going to drop these off. First one's 7 minutes away. I'm not sure how far the second one is, but it can't be much further than that. On top of it, I think it was 2.50 miles more, which is not that bad for $5, $6. So I'm gonna drop these off and go ahead to Wegmans, and I'll catch up with y'all in a little bit.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
So I just made it to my first Instacart delivery, third order this morning. It was 8 units, 8 items for $89. And that's really good. That is really good. Because even though it's not paying what I wanted to pay, at least for the first hour, I could say I made $19, $20 for the first hour of working. That keeps me in the range I want to stay in for today. So I'll go in there and shop that. And today, from 11 this afternoon to 8 this evening, having a heat advisory, which in some regards is not bad because that might facilitate more orders. Usually when the weather is off, whether it's either too hot, too cold, or raining, snowing, then people are more advantageous to order. Either order groceries or order food. So I'm hoping today that the heat advisory works in my favor. I definitely got plenty of water, plenty of Gatorade, so I'm definitely going to stay hydrated today. But man, I'm going to go inside and shop this order. I'll catch catch up with my next order from El Rey Teca. I'm about to go deliver that, but I wanted to update y'all and let y'all know that this order that I just picked up was $16 some change. I put over here the final total, and that's actually pretty good for this one. Now, my goal is $20 per hour or more, the average. What I plan on doing is after this order, try to get an Instacart delivery to add on to this order. So that way I can get out of the heat because it's so hot. That's all good because I got water and Gatorade that I'm sipping on all day, staying hydrated, so I'm good. But I wouldn't mind getting a good Instacart delivery and getting some fresh air and some AC. I got the AC blasting on here, but it'll be nice not to be running my car and cooling down while I'm making some bread. But I'll catch up with y'all when I get the next delivery.
Success in any fucking thing. Success requires obsession. I can't say it enough. You must be obsessed. But to obtain success, you must fucking be obsessed with that. There's no way around it. The fucking best at anything must be obsessed.
Run into Mickey D's and pick up my next order. It was $7.66. I'll put the final total over here so y'all can see that for this order. It's going pretty good. That's another 20 plus for this hour. Y'all keep on grinding. I want to finish by 5 at the latest. But so far, I'm on track to get my goal. I haven't seen a whole lot of Instacart deliveries, but if you're steadily busy on Uber Eats, you definitely make more money per hour on Uber Eats. So I'm going to run there and pick this up and see what else we can get after this order. But not too shabby. So I just picked up my McDonald's order. The good thing about this order is it's only a mile and a half away. So definitely I'm going to drop this order off. And while I was waiting for the order, I picked up a $9 order from Price Chopper. It was 13 units, 12 items, which is not bad at all. And the delivery is only a mile and a half away for $9. And you only have 12 items. That's not bad at all. I'll put the final total up here. But so far it's going good today. On a Thursday, I'm not getting high paying orders except that El Rey Teca order. But I'm getting a lot of orders, which is good. I didn't start as early as I wanted to, but I think I'll finish strong today. But we'll keep it moving. Oh, man. So after I dropped off that Mickey D's order, I actually get on Uber Eats. I think this was $12 for the order. I'll put the total over here. But I decided to cancel the Instacart order because this one is actually going to be paying more than that initial order. And to get to the person's house and back to the store, it'll be 30 minutes. So it's better to cancel that order, let the customer of that order on Instacart get their groceries faster instead of me going there and coming back. I'll make up that $9 on another order. I mean, this order is paying about $12, so I'm getting $3 more just to pick up someone's order and go drop it off about 10 miles. So I'm getting over $1 per mile, so I ain't complaining. But I'll catch up with y'all in a bit. Today was a good day. I did 3 additional Instacart deliveries. I'll show the totals at the end. And I got a little bonus, $20 bonus today on one of the orders for a tip on Uber Eats. So I'm good with that. You know, $20 extra. Shoot. That saved me 2 or 3 or even a single extra Instacart order to get to my goal today. But I made my goal today, and I'll show the final totals on everything at the end of the video. So man. And also too, I found out when I was doing the last order that it showed that you can get access to more batches. That's right, more batches. Now I am eligible to start doing bulky orders that are like boxes or bigger orders, which is great because now I have opportunities on Instacart to do more orders. I'm eligible for any orders that require a card, alcohol, orders that need a freezer bag or a hot bag, and now bulky orders. And all you have to do is go to the Access More Batches section and just fill out all the stuff, like the card, alcohol. They want to check your bag to make sure you have a bag, which is easy. You just send them a picture of your bag. If it gets approved, then you're good to get for that. And I'm now bulky batches orders. And that was simple to apply for. You click on it, and then they ask you what type of vehicle you have. And once you submit your vehicle and it gets approved, then you'll be eligible to start receiving those types of batches. So man, today was a good day. It was a good day, good productive day. Not a lot of orders I had to take today, only 9 orders today. And I made my goal. Now on a normal day when I actually am living out here in my second market, I'll actually be working much later than 5 o'clock. Some days, not every day, but some days. So I get more than my goal. But the fact that I made my goal today and then some, it's a win-win situation. So I'll show you the what I made today at the end of the video. And I'll show y'all a little bonus and show you what I made up until this point in the week on Thursday. So Mike Anthony Fitness, I'm going to get out of here like Mr. Avante Davis. And I'll see y'all on the next video or live stream. Because I'm gone like Mr. Avante Davis. And I'll see y'all soon. And oh yeah, and if you like what y'all see on this video before I get up out of here, make sure y'all ball up that fist and punch that subscribe button. Ring that sexy bell. And Hulk smash, Hulk smash, Hulk smash that like button. And I'll see y'all soon. Peace.